Good day viewers, welcome to HB Studio YouTube channel. Today I'll be taking you through how you can remove an image background without downloading any external app and without losing the quality of the image. What you do is just head to your browser, type in Remove.bg. Remove.bg is loading. Good. Yeah. Then click on this upload icon here. It will redirect you to your gallery, where you can select the image you want to change the background or you want to background. So let's pick this. Is uploading. As you can see, our image background have been removed automatically. So you can do what? You can just simply click this download button to download it to your phone. But if you want to add, you don't want the background to be empty, you want to add a color or an image or any design to the background, what you do is you head to this edit. Click on this edit. As you can see, the image is loading. So you can see, you can pick, you can see that, you can see the background of images. You can see the image on different backgrounds. But if you don't want any photo to be at the back of the image, you just want maybe solid colors, maybe red, blue, and everything. Just swipe up and you see the color, solid colors like a background can be under. So you can see, so you can just choose any one you want. Then you click on the download button at the top of the screen. So let's choose this. As you can see that the background have changed already. You can select any one you want there. If it's images, to change to the image. And when you are through with selecting the background you want, just click on this download button at the top of the screen here. Click on it, and guess what? It's preparing the image for download. Then you can do what? You can now click the download image button to download it to your phone. As you can see, our image have been downloaded. You can view it in your gallery. So thanks for watching and subscribe.